Hello students, today I am going to solve some numericals of thermodynamics. So you can see here, this is the short answer type questions. The following figures A, B, C and D show PV graph. PV graph is known as the indicator diagram. It is known as the indicator diagram. Calculate the work done in each case. So if you see this graph A, you will find that there is no change in volume. What is the initial volume is on x-axis, pressure is on y-axis. So this is the initial point and this is the final point. What is the volume corresponding to this initial point? So you see the value on x-axis. It will be somewhere in between 1 and 2. And if you see volume corresponding to the final point, so it is also coinciding to the same point on the volume axis. Means there is no change in volume and no change in volume. So what is the formula of the work done? It is the product of pressure into P into delta V. What is the another formula? Another way of determining the work? You determine the area under PV curve and volume axis. PV कर्व और वॉल्यूम एक्सिस के बीच में कितना एरिया इंक्लोज हो रहा है, दैट इज इक्वल टू द वर्क डन. सो हियर नो एरिया फॉल्स अंडर PV कर्व, नो एरिया इज फॉलिंग अंडर PV कर्व, देयरफॉर वर्क डन विल बी 0. देयर विल बी नो वर्क डन एज देयर इज नो चेंज इन वॉल्यूम, सो वर्क डन विल बी 0. नाउ सी टू दिस एग्जाम्पल, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1b. Here this is the indicator diagram PV curve. If you see here you have to find the work done. So in order to determine work done, you have to find the area under AB, area under BC and area under CA. That you have to determine. That is what is the area under AB, area under BC and area under CA. So area between PV curve and volume axis. Now we will calculate it separately. So you can see here what will be the area under AB. So if you see here in the book, you can see here what is this point is I have taken A, this B and this C. What is area under AB? So what is the pressure? Pressure is corresponding to 1 Newton per meter square. And what is the change in volume? Final volume 2 meter cube and initial volume 4 meter cube, that is 2 minus 4. So it will be 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2 joule work. It is clear. Area under AB will be P into delta V, that is equals to this minus 2 in joule. Now what is the area under BC? So if you see area under BC, it is a vertical line parallel to y-axis, so there will be no area. Delta V will be 0, so it will be equal to 0. Then area under CA. Area under CA, if you see, then what will be its shape? Its shape will be trapezium, that I am explaining here. Area under CA. It will be the trapezium. You can see here how much area comes under CA. This area comes under CA. It is clear. So what will be this area? It is equal to 1 upon 2 sum of parallel side. One side is this, another side is this. What is the length of this side? From here to here. So this point is corresponding to 3. ये point कहाँ पर है? 0 के सामने है. So ये क्या है? Length 3. Similarly, if you see this is corresponding to 1 and this is corresponding to 0. So what is its length? 1. Its length is 3. What is distance between them? 4 minus 2, that is 2. So it will be equal to 1 upon 2 sum of parallel sides into distance between parallel sides. So it will come out 4 joule. It is clear. So what will be the net work done? It will be the sum of these. So minus 2 plus 0 plus 4, that is equals to plus 2 joule. Plus 2 joule means the work is done by the gas. Now here if the indicator diagram is like this, it is if it is ending at the same point from where it has started, अगर पीवी कर्व क्या हो, ये ऐसा हो कि जिस पॉइंट से शुरू हुआ हो उसी पॉइंट पर आके ख़त्म हो, then it is representing to a cyclic process. And in that case, what will be the work done? Suppose it is starting from here. This is the first change is taking place from state 1 to state 2. Then reverse change take place from 2 to 1. It's clear. So what will be the work done? Work done will be equal to simply this area. It's clear. No need to determine first this area under this plus area under this. We simply determine this area. And why it is so? Because area under this 1A2 positive. Here it will be increase in volume, therefore it is positive. So area under 2B1, it will be negative. It's clear. So what will be the net area? It will be come out equal to this. And if it is traced clockwise, then this area will be positive. वैसे भी हम देख सकते हैं. You can see here, I am making here. See here. This is P, this is V. What will be the work done in going from state A to the state B through 1? So it will be area under this. What will be the area under this? That you can represent by vertical lines, this area. It will be equal to this area. This area will be positive. Why? Because the volume is increasing from V1 to V2. Now suppose a reverse change take place from 2 to 1. Reverse change is taking place from 2 to 1. That is 2. B to E. So what will be this area? Area, what will be the work done? Here it is work done will be negative. Why it will be negative? Because it is volume is decreasing. So this area is positive and this much area is negative. So net work will be equal to this and it will be positive. Why it will be positive? Because cyclic process is taking place in clockwise. So if cyclic process takes place clockwise, then net work done will be equal to positive. It will be done by the system. पर अगर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज हो, then what will happen? Net work done will be negative. And net work done comes out negative, it means it is done on the system. Work is done on the system. It's clear. So this we will remember, this I have written here. If a cyclic process PV curve means PV curve of the cyclic process is traced clockwise, then net work done will be by the gas, it will be taken positive. If the cyclic process is traced anti-clockwise, then net work done will be on the gas and it will be taken negative. It's clear. Now all of you see this question. Question number this. C part of this. Here in question number 1, C part. You can see here indicator diagram is this. Already I have told that if the process is cyclic, then PV curve will be a closed curve. It's clear. Or it's reverse. अगर क्या है PV curve closed curve है, then process cyclic होगा. So you can see here this PV curve is closed. And it is in what shape? In rectangular shape. Therefore, it is the curve of PV curve of a cyclic process. And in this case, what will be the net work done? Equal to this closed area. How will you find this closed area? It is in rectangular shape. So length into breadth. So length will be equal to AB. अब जरा AB किसके पैरेलल है? इस एक्सिस के. ए पॉइंट की पोजीशन यहाँ कहाँ है 1, बी की कहाँ है 4, 4 - 1 मीन्स इट विल बी इक्वल टू 3. It's clear. Now breadth, here A point is corresponding to 1, D is corresponding to 3, 3 - 1 that is 2. So what will be area? It will be equal to 6 joule and it will be positive or negative. So just now I have told that if it is traced anti-clockwise then it will be negative, and negative means what? What is the negative means? It will be on the gas, work will be done on the gas. It's clear. Now you can see question number 5 in your book. Similarly, there is a question number 2 in your book. It is also of same type. This and this both are of same type. So straightforward, if you have to find the total work done, you find out the area of the triangle. It's clear. You can find the area of triangle. Now you see question number 5. In the diagram are shown the changes taking place in a thermodynamic system in going from initial state A to the state B and C and finally returning to A. A से B, B से C, C से A. Now internal energy at A is 30 joule and at C it is 70 joule. Already I told that P, V, T, U, these are the state functions. They depend only on that particular state, while Q and W are not state functions. They are the path functions. Joule this, and the heat spent in the change from A to B is 60 joule. जब A से B जो change हो रहा है, in that how much heat is spent? 60 joule. Means 60 joule energy supplied to the system. Means it will be taken positive. Then determine work done by the system in change from B to C. In change from B to C, you can see here the PV curve is a vertical curve. It is parallel to the pressure axis. Therefore, work done will be 0. Why there will be no work done? Because there is no change in volume. Delta EB is 0. Or in other way, you can see that say that no area falls below BC. BC के नीचे कोई भी एरिया नहीं आ रहा है. Therefore, there will be no change in the volume. It's clear. Then second part, you can see heat released from the system in change from C to A. C से A में कितनी हीट रिलीज हो रही है, that you have to find Q. अब Q तो हम ऐसे नहीं फाइंड आउट कर सकते. We can find W, but how will you find Q? So in order to determine Q, we will use the first law of thermodynamics. Now first law of thermodynamics says that Q minus W equals to delta U. So first you find out W in going from C to A. C से A जाने में कितना वर्क डन होगा. So you can see here it will be equal to this area which falls below CA. It's clear, this area. This area is in what shape? In trapezium. And what will be its sign? So you can see here when it is taking place from C to A, volume is decreasing from 3 to 1. Volume is decreasing, therefore work will be done on the system. And when work is done on the system, it is taken negative. That's why I have put minus sign here. What is the area of trapezium? 1 upon 2 parallel sides means this side plus this side. What is this side? It is equal to 20. What is this side? It is equal to 40. ये point 0 के corresponding ये 40, so it will be 40. Distance between them 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 2 and 2 cancel, that is it will come out minus 60 joule. Work done will be equals to minus 60 joule. It is clear. It is from C to E. Now see here. Now from first law of thermodynamics for the process C to A. इस प्रोसेस के लिए हम फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स लगाएंगे. Q माइनस W इक्वल्स टू डेल्टा यू. डेल्टा यू इक्वल्स टू फाइनल स्टेट पर इंटरनल एनर्जी माइनस इनिशियल स्टेट पर. सो व्हाट इज एट द फाइनल स्टेट? C पर कितना है? Final state is A. Final state is state A. Initial state is C. So UA minus UC. It will be equal to UA minus UC. So you substitute Q minus W already I have evaluated, minus 60. Minus 60, it will be 30 minus 70, that is minus 40. So when you will take it in this side, so Q equals to minus 100 joule. Means what is the heat released from the system? Minus 100 joule. Because when Q comes out negative, it means heat releases by the system. And when heat is absorbed by the system, it is taken positive. Now in the third part, you have to find the value of UB here. UB. So we will take this process A to B. It's clear. So once again we will do the same thing. We will use this first law of thermodynamics. Q minus W equals to, this is from A to B. That you can see here. This is not the labeling I would. Yes, A to B. Here this is not correct. This is A to B, not B to C. So Q minus W equals to delta U, that is UB minus UA. This. Now what will be W from A to B? W from A to B will be equal to this area. How will you find this area? ये कितना है 20, this is 3 minus 1, 2. So 20 into 2, that is equals to 40 joule. Now Q minus 40 equals to UB minus 30. But Q is given in the question. How much heat is spent in A to B? 60 joule. 60 joule heat is spent. So it will be 60 minus 40 UB minus 30. So when you will simplify, it will come out 50 joule. So you can see this.